Hello everyone, my name is Shaina. I'm a physical therapist. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate exercises for neck strain. In neck strain, you will feel pain behind your neck or on the side. The main causes for neck strain are poor posture, underlying medical condition, muscle spasm or strain, overuse or sudden neck movements, and also because of injury or trauma. If you have any of these symptoms, then this video is for you. So let's dive into the exercises. The first one is thoracic mobilization. We are going to use the foam roller for this one. When we have any neck pain or discomfort, it's always good to work on thoracic spine as it helps to take the load from the neck area. Moreover, few of our neck muscles also attaches here. So let's get started. For this one, you're going to keep the foam roller behind your back. Now from here, lie down on the foam roller and take your hand behind your neck, interlock your fingers. Now from here, we're going to lift our hips above the ground and we're going to move the foam roller down and slowly up. Do this for at least 1 minute. Focus on your breaths. Breathe naturally and relax. The next exercise is going to help to increase the range of motion of your neck. So what you're going to do, you're going to sit straight and look forward. Now first we'll go for flexion and extension. So it's going to look like, just bend your neck down, take your chin towards your chest, hold for 1 second, keep your back straight. Now come up, look up towards the ceiling. Go for at least 10 reps. And relax. The next exercise, we're going to look right and left. So what you're going to do, sit straight and keep your back straight. Now from here, look towards your right side, hold for 1 second, come back and switch towards your left side. Go for at least 10 reps. Breathe naturally and relax. Now side bend. Bend your neck towards your right side. You'll feel the stretch here. Come back, bend towards the left side. Go for at least 10 reps. And relax. The last exercises are isometrics. We are going to strengthen up our neck muscles. So for the first one, what you're going to do, you're going to stay in the same position. Now we are going to go for flexion. So lift your right arm up and place it in front of your forehead. Now from here, you're going to bend your neck down, but you're going to resist from your hand. And you'll feel the pressure here, behind your neck. Hold for at least 5 to 10 seconds. And relax. Go for at least 5 reps and relax. Now we'll go for extension. Take your both arms behind your head. Now take your neck back, resist from your hand. Hold for at least 5 to 10 seconds and relax. Again. Relax. The last exercise is the strengthening exercise for the side muscles. So what you're going to do, stay in the same position, lift your hand up and place it on the side. Now try to take your neck towards your right side and resist from your hand. Hold for at least 5 to 10 seconds and relax. Switch other side and relax. I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.